tayo. Let's explore love and kindness and so much more. Love and kindness every day, feeling great in every way. Love and kindness, strong and true, sharing love, me and you. Every moment, in every way, love and kindness here to stay. With every act, we spread the light.